All right, so I am outside the home of some very dear old friends. I've been parked outside their house for 3 nights. They actually have a guest room that I was able to stay inside the house, and so Beastie and Bestie have been parked out in front comfortably. It's been a while since I've done an update, and one of the reasons is I have been suffering with just a really terrible back issues, and happy to report that I am getting relief from that. And I'll be talking more about that because there's a lot to say. So much of this is just, I just didn't understand about the truck and the trailer, and that I needed to kind of take more time to make sure that I was comfortable and that the seat fit me. And so that's what I'm doing now. And we're waiting for an Uber to come to pick up my friends. And then I am going to get into Beastie, drive Bestie down to Anaheim. I'm going to be meeting up with some triking friends, in particular the Trike Squadron. I'm very excited. I've got a reservation down there for 4 nights. And so there's just a lot to talk about and a lot to get caught up on. Hey. Super, super fun, you guys.
Oh my God, so much fun.
Yeah. Hugs, hugs. Yay.
Mwah. Mwah. You have a great trip.
And Brian.
Yes. Absolutely. Thank you. Love seeing you.
Wonderful. I had a great time.
Excited. Oh, good.
Yeah.
You did too. Absolutely. Love
Very,
having
very
you.
fun. Waiting for an Uber, waiting for a lift.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're on our way off to new adventures, all of us.
New adventures.
4 minutes.
If I had a drink in hand, I'd make a toast.
Yeah. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, how about this? Out on the trike. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. So here is my camp spot. I'm in Southern California, meeting up with the Trike Squadron. But oh my gosh, I've got so much to talk about. So much has happened. It's actually kind of a little bit overwhelming. I drove the truck with the trailer down to Los Angeles, and then I got Myrtle. And it's been very cold, it's been kind of stormy, and I've only ridden my trike once. And in the meantime, I've had terrible back problems. You know, I think it was more like I just didn't understand how different driving a truck, and that I really needed to go a lot slower. Give my body a chance to acclimate to the seat. The seat was not adjusted well, and I didn't notice until it was really too late. And so I've been to the chiropractor a few times, and it's just helped so much. And so now I feel like I can actually ride the trike. For a while, I was camping with some cousins, and I kind of panicked because I was not able to handle the sway bars that connect the truck with the trailer. They're very heavy and awkward. And I kind of panicked thinking like, you know, what if I've done serious damage to my back and I won't be able to do this truck and RV idea. But it seems like everything is healing and I'm feeling much, much stronger. And kind of getting a lay of the land here. This RV park, I checked in for 4 nights and it's big. I'm in site 96. And it is right on the Santa Ana River Trail. And the Santa Ana River Trail from here is 55 miles to Huntington Beach. And then Saturday or Sunday, I don't think it's been decided yet, I'm going to get together with the Trike Squadron and we're going to probably ride the Santa Ana River Trail. We will see. We will see what happens, but I'm really excited about it. And I'm just super excited that things are easier than they were. Oh, it feels so good to be on my trike. I'm telling you, the rhythm of this RV and the trailer is so different than trike touring, and it's kind of thrown me a little bit. You know, just the way I put my day together is really different. The way I think about the day, the way I think about traveling is different. And I think it's going to be a little while before I kind of get a rhythm about it together. You know, the whole thing is actually very comfortable. It's so nice to have the same bed to sleep in. You know, I don't have to pack and unpack every day. And, you know, that's really nice. And so I'm feeling pretty good about it. It still feels completely crazy. Just the way it all happened. It happened so fast. And I just went with it. It was like the universe just said, you're doing something else now. You are going to be RVing now. And it was just like the dominoes fell. I mean, just like a whirlwind. I felt like I, you know, was in a tornado and just got picked up and put somewhere else. Really, it's just an incredible feeling. But it's also, you know, it feels like when things happen like that, that maybe it's the right thing. You know, when it's effortless and everything just falls into place, and it's like I just said it out loud, and the next thing I know, it's there. It's, you know, not something in my head, it's something like in front of me. So, oh, incredible, really an incredible experience. So this is good. Very, very different. So, all right, that's a pretty good update, yeah? A little update from the road from Anaheim. I'm in Canyon RV Park in Anaheim, right off the Santa Ana River Trail. So let me know what you think. Yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below. You know how much I love hearing from everybody. And as always, thank you for watching.